So since there are 5 Wednesdays this month, we're doing our next Leadership Development Night on Wednesday the 30th of June. So you can join us where Pastor Deck will be speaking, and you can sign up for this event on Church Suite or our website. So sign up to get the link online.
We've not been given a spirit of fear. We are children of the Most High. We've not been given a spirit of fear. We've traded rejection for adoption. Abba, Father, we are sons.
Bookings are open for Strength Will Rise. It's happening June 22 and the prices are frozen. Yes, they've been frozen for you so that you get a bit of a discount when you book in. So guys, bookings are open, which means that you can just go and grab a form from the foyer or download one online, and you can just fill that in and get it back to us with your deposit. So make sure you do this as soon as possible to avoid disappointment. And guys, it's going to be an amazing weekend away. It's our annual church weekend away, and it's going to be in person. It's been on hold because of COVID, but we're going to get back together in person. So make sure you book in and join us there.
The Most High. We've not been given a spirit of fear. We've traded rejection for adoption. Abba, Father, we are sons and daughters. Abba, Father, we are sons.
So this year's Devoted Conference is supporting the charity The Homeless Period in Wolverhampton. So if you have any donations you can supply of sanitary towels, soap, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, wipes, any toiletries at all, then be sure to bring them in and donate them to the box in the foyer. So don't forget, it's prayer and Bible study this Wednesday at 7:30, so make sure you join us online for that. And that's all for XL News, so if you'd like any more information, head to our new branded website or get us on social media, and have a great week.